including including the major state universities like UP and the other PUP and the other state universities. So, Mr. President, we'd like to recognize our distinguished Senate President, Tito Soto. Mr. President.
The Senate President is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. I'll try to be as swift as possible. Will the distinguished chairman of the Committee on Finance, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, please favor us with some answers to very important questions that you would like to pose?
Thank you, Mr. President. It will be an honor, Mr. President.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. President. Your Honor, I have received numerous inquiries regarding the Dr. Para sa Bayan scholarships, particularly the Cebu Normal University, Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center, College of Medicine. Wala na raw pondo. No new slots for academic year 2025 to 2026. True enough, I saw this post by CHED, by the Commission on Higher Education, for academic year 2025 to 2026. No slots for both Agricultural Competitiveness Enhancement Fund and for the Medical Scholarship and Return Service. Paano nangyari po ito, Your Honor, Mr. President?
May I answer your question, Mr. Senate President?
Yes,
Yeah, yung data ng Mr. Sponsor.
Let's go ahead,
Yeah,
Senate, Mr. Presiding
Kasi meron
Officer.
kaming data kasi dito na yung funding gap ng CHED, no, 34.6 billion pesos. No. Kulang yung kanilang tertiary education subsidy. Ang unaccommodated number of students, 2.312 million students. So sundan ko na yung tanong ng Senate President, kaya ako sumingit. Yung tulong-dunong po, zero sa NEP, pero nagdagdag yung House Gov ng 2.727 billion. Now, the Senate has remained silent. No? Ang proposal ko, Mr. President, distinguished sponsor, ipasok na natin sa TES para makadagdag doon sa tinatanong na ating Senate President para makapag-accommodate pa ng additional students or scholars. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President. We'll take that into consideration, Mr.
so
President.
is the answer meaning there is none in the net?
No, Mr. President,
Or did you submit?
yung Medical Scholarship and Return Service or MSRS program, under the 2025 GAA, there's 909 million pesos, Mr. President. It has 3,199 scholars. Ngayon, ang continuing, ito yung problema, Mr. President, ang continuing is 2,896. So, ang natitira pong available na bago is 330. Pag dinivide ho natin yan into 27 SUCs na meron pong med school, that's only 12 new scholars, Mr. President. Kaya, imagine nyo 12, tapos marami pong nag-a-apply, talagang kulang na kulang po yung new scholars. So tama ho yung inyong tanong sa Senate President na talagang agawan po yung slots.
Let me elaborate ang aking a little context also. Being the principal author of that law, I never imagined that we will be starting with, we will be continuing with less than 15 students per year na mga bago. Kasi we're looking at coming up with more doctors nationwide. That's the reason for this free medical scholarship. So, you see, and I hope you don't mind, this is a bit parochial on my side, but Cebu Normal University informed me that they need 18,480,000 for the medical scholarship and return service for 53 first-year students na pumasa lahat. Ano? And 13 second-year students of the Doctor of Medicine for the Cebu Normal University Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center, College of Medicines, since they were not entitled to the funds allocated by CHED. Last time around, may mga ginawa na lang programa yung mga ibang tumulong para matuloy yung iba, no? Nakapasa na, tapos pero hindi makapagbigay CHED ng there were only 24 students allotted last year. O ngayon, 12 na lang ang new students. We were envisioning more or less an average of 40 students per SUC with College of Medicine every year na bumapasok na bago. Can you imagine how that will be beneficial to the entire country when we have more doctors? We're looking, hopefully wishing for more doctors than lawyers. So, what can we do about this, Your Honor? You see, okay, itong hopefully I might be able to give you a perspective of how we want you to look at this, you know, the way CHED should look at this. According to Republic Act 9593 or the Tourism Act of 2009, 40% of the gross travel tax collection goes to CHED for the prioritization of tourism, educational programs, and courses. I would like to emphasize that you get the gross amount, meaning you don't share in the administrative cost and the burden which goes to TIESA alone. I have here the amount remitted from TIESA since 2009, which already amounted to 26,661,267,916. However, upon checking your website, you do not have any tourism educational programs and courses. So my question is, what is the status of the utilization of your share from the travel tax for tourism programs and courses from 2009 up to the present?
Mr. President, before I answer that, gusto ko lang hong sagutin po muna yung sa MSRS, yung Medical Scholarship and Return Service.
Mhm.
Because tama ho kayo, the spirit of the law is to increase the number of medical practitioners in the countryside. Kaya tayo nag-o-offer ng scholarship kahit na alam natin na ang medical degree is very costly at mahaba siya. So, but we all know also na mayroong shortage of doctors, nurses, medical practitioners in our country. So, to increase the number of scholarship from 12 new to 24 new in the SUC, we will need 185 million pesos in additional funds, Mr. President, which is pag tinotal ho natin yan, will generate about 648 new scholars nationwide. No? So, and I think this is a reasonable amount considering that we have a need to increase the number of doctors and medical practitioners in our country.
So
yun po yung-
is it possible, Your Honor, to make that as an institutional amendment?
Yes, pag sinabi niyo ho, we'll make it possible, Mr.
Then so be it.
Yes, sir.
So
yun
that,
po ang ating,
at the very least, 24 new students.
yes,
for
we'll increase it, we'll
2026,
double it from 12 to
Mm.
24.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So,
Yes.
will you also answer the issue of how the 26 billion has been used by CHED?
From 12.
The engineering, please, microphone of the chairman.
Pinatay ng chat.
Hello.
Wala rin.
Hello.
Nirestart
Wala rin
nila.
tayong sound dito eh. Session is suspended for 1 minute.
Yung
And then
Senate
this
President.
Oh,
Yung-
session is resumed.
Thank you, Mr. President. So from years 1995 to June 30, 2025, ang total collection po is 27.6 billion pesos, of which it was disbursed in various programs: institutional development, research and development, rationalization of programs, standards, guidelines, scholarships, undergraduate and graduate, and other programs and projects including tourism-related programs. So, yun po yung disbursement na 27 billion po.
Well, very good, because you practically answered my next two questions, you know. That was, how were you utilizing the 40% share? And then, what are the programs and courses that you are currently implementing with
Yes.
this 26 billion?
Correct. Tama po.
More or less yun.
Yes.
So how
Yes
many
po.
students have benefited from this travel tax share since 2009?
Ito po,
Ipagyabang naman natin ng
yeah, 4,299 students in tourism-related programs under CHED Merit Scholarship Program. So, 4,299 po ang nag-benefit.
All right, thank you very much. I hope next year's budget, we will not limit it to 24.
Yes, Mr. President, let's endeavor to increase it every year and
mm,
para po mas marami ho tayong ma-produce na mga medical practitioners, doctors. Alam ho naman natin, in demand rin sila abroad. So, we have to keep on producing doctors and medical
Oh,
practitioners.
and what do you plan to do with the universities like the Cebu Normal University, that there are 53 who have passed, but 24 lang ang ipapasok natin sa medical scholarship. Pero the other, I don't know about the other schools, ano, or the other universities with medicine proper. Baka pwedeng, ika nga, may mga, kung marami yung kanila, on the average naman na sinasabi natin dito eh.
On the
On the
average.
average eh. O baka walang 24 na nakapasaro sa ibang university. Baka pwede nating ilagay doon sa mga ika nga, mas maraming pumasa na enrollment. Sayang naman, kawawa naman kung mga magagaling nakapasok. Pagkatapos eh walang scholarship available.
CHED will study if kung meron pong mga ibang schools na hindi naman po marami, maybe
Hindi
reallocate the
aabot ng
amounts.
24, di ba?
Yes,
O baka
oo.
pwedeng ilagay doon, no?
Yeah. So, andito po si Chairperson Agrupis so para mapag-aralan niya kung may mga ibang schools na high demand